Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. "68 grams healthy, all-natural protein loaded with powerful matcha powder, refined sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, super tasty, super creamy matcha protein mousse. Tastes like a matcha cheesecake, but is so healthy, so good." So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a package of firm tofu into a blender, along with 8 dates, half a cup of almond butter, 2 teaspoons of matcha powder, and half a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein mousse! Thanks for watching.